As if life wasn't complicated enough already, there's a new technology we all have to get our heads around: the metaverse. My new talk busts some myths about the metaverse, and crucially, it explains how you and your business can use the metaverse to make money. The metaverse is actually a very old idea, at least 2,500 years old. But there's a good reason why it's in the news today. Mark Zuckerberg thinks that smart glasses are about to replace smartphones as the medium we view the internet through. And he's probably right, although I'm not sure about some of his terminology. My new talk explains what the metaverse is. It clears up any confusion you may have about virtual reality, augmented reality, mixed reality, and extended reality. It lays out the relationship between these and digital twins, brain-computer interfaces, and brain uploading, and makes clear what all of this has to do with that other new buzzword, Web 3.0. It does all this with engaging visuals, appropriate humor, and optimism. Email me on cccallum@gmail.com, 3 C's, 1 L, to discuss an engagement.